for reference, this is my full-size bed. I put the bench at the end. Super easy to set up. The space on the inside, pretty spacious. I don't know if it's pretty spacious on the inside. I love it. It's so nice. It's velvet. Even sitting on it is super comfortable. Like, super good.
This is a spare bedroom, and I did not want a lot of furniture in it. I just wanted it to have a little bit of storage, and as you see, it's just got lots of color, and I don't mind it having color, but the little bench just added a touch that I can put, whoops, I don't want me in it, with sweaters in it. And it's very sturdy, it's very cute. It goes well with everything else in the room.
To die for. Really cute. Took like 10 minutes to put up. It's really pretty. I weigh 262 pounds, and I can literally like sit on it. I'm not gonna do too much, but I'm gonna stand on it, and it's sturdy. I like it.
That's my mom. I cut her hair. Nice to meet you.